So if you're looking to start up an LLC in the state of Pennsylvania, this video is for you. We'll be going through everything you need to know about setting up a Pennsylvania LLC, as well as how you can set up one in under 10 minutes. So on the left is an overview of the 5 main steps when it comes to forming an LLC in Pennsylvania. We'll be going through each of these steps in detail so you'll know exactly what to do. Before we dive in, let me quickly share why Pennsylvania is a great state for an LLC. First, Pennsylvania offers a relatively simple formation process with reasonable filing fees compared to many other states. Second, Pennsylvania LLCs enjoy strong liability protection, shielding your personal assets from business debts. And third, the state offers flexibility in management structure, allowing you to operate your business however works best for you. So, step 1 is to name your LLC. There are some rules when it comes to naming your LLC in the state of Pennsylvania. You must have limited liability company or LLC at the end of your name. Whatever name you choose, it also cannot cause any confusion with any government agency. This makes a lot of sense, and the name must be distinctive and original. If you guys want to do a free name search, you guys can use the link down below, and you'll be able to see whether or not that name is available. Now, if you guys do want to make this whole process a lot more simple, I would recommend using something like Northwest Registered Agent. This is an online platform that basically helps you set up your LLC for you at little cost to you. I've used them personally to set up multiple business entities, and they've been nothing but amazing. So yeah, that link is down below, and if you guys actually want to skip forward to the parts of this video where I take you guys step by step through their platform, that timestamp is going to be right here. So step number 2 is to find a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or business that is going to help you receive and send significant legal documents to and from the government on your behalf. So in case you get sued or the state needs to contact you, they're going to contact you through your registered agent. So now, who can be one? They must be an individual living in Pennsylvania, or they must be an entity who's allowed to conduct business in Pennsylvania. They also must have a physical address in Pennsylvania, and they must be on site and available to accept documents during regular business hours. If you guys do use Northwest Registered Agent, they'll actually provide this service to you as part of their package, which is definitely an added bonus. Okay, so step 3 is to actually file your LLC Certificate of Organization, which is also called the Articles of Organization in other states. This is going to include the LLC's name, the registered agent's name and address, purpose of the LLC formation, data filing of the articles, management structure, so who are the actual managers of this company, and also a bunch of other really important information. Now, when it comes to the process of doing this, there are a couple forms that you guys will need to know and to fill out. There's the DSCB 158821 form. This is the Certificate of Organization form, and it's for businesses that are seeking to form an LLC in Pennsylvania. The filing fee for this form is $125 at the time this video is made, and that is a mandatory fee. Most of you guys watching this video will probably be filing this form. Now, if you do have a foreign LLC and you pretty much want to do business inside of Pennsylvania, then that's a different form. That's going to be the DSCB 15412, and that fee is $250. Now, to actually file an LLC Certificate of Organization in Pennsylvania, there are a few different ways you can do this. The first is you file online through the Pennsylvania Department of State's website. So if you want to learn more, the link is going to be right there as well down in the description. You can also file it by mail, so you can find a copy of the form and more info on how you can fill it out at the same website. And this is the address you'll be mailing the form to. Step number 4 is to get an LLC EIN. This is also known as your federal tax identification number. Think of it as a social security number for your business, and this is going to allow the IRS to identify and keep track of your business's tax status. You will need this number to open a business bank account, file and manage your federal and state taxes, as well as hire employees. This is very easy. You'll simply fill out a form online, and we'll link that down below as well. Step 5 is to create an LLC operating agreement. This is not required in Pennsylvania, but it's still good to have one. If you have multiple owners for your LLC, this is going to help you structure the financial relationships of each owner, and it's really going to tell everyone what to expect from the company. It's also going to include information about ownership, members' rights and responsibilities, joining and leaving rules, as well as rules for dissolution. And then after you form your LLC, there are a few things that you guys will need to know, and we'll cover those really quickly right now. The first is that you definitely want to keep your business and personal assets separate. If you don't do this, then you're going to pierce the corporate veil. And when that happens, if people actually sue your company, they can actually come after your personal assets. So to remedy this, you'll definitely want a business checking account, get a business credit card, and also hire an accountant. You also may need to get business insurance. I'm not going to really cover this too much as it's really going to depend on your business type, but just keep this in mind. You'll also probably want a business website, so be prepared to work on this, or you can hire someone to make this for you. We'll leave some resources down below if you do actually want to build your website yourself. And yeah, like I mentioned earlier, if you don't want to deal with all this yourself, I highly recommend Northwest Registered Agent. They make it super easy and save you a ton of hassle. Let me walk you through it. It only takes 3 to 5 minutes. Click the exclusive discount link for Northwest below, then on the website, click on the button to get started. You'll be asked what type of business you're starting and in what state. So we'll select LLC and then the state you're starting your LLC in. Next, you'll be asked to name your company, the purpose of your business, and the business address. All you need to do now is type in the members of your LLC, give your contact information, and select if there's any additional things you'd like Northwest to take care of, like getting your EIN or setting up a trademark. Once you've done that, all you need to do is submit your payment and you're done. Northwest will take care of the rest for you. It saves so much time and hassle. It only takes 3 to 5 minutes to fill everything in. That's why I highly recommend it to everyone because it makes starting your LLC a whole lot easier. Again, the exclusive discount link for Northwest Registered Agent is down below. Click it to get started in just a few minutes. Anyways, that's basically how you set up an LLC in the state of Pennsylvania. All the resources that we mentioned in this video are going to be down below in the description, and I really hope this video was helpful. If you guys got some value out of this video, make sure to share with a friend and also like and subscribe for more content just like this. This whole channel is dedicated to giving you guys free guides and tutorials helping you start up your business. Thanks so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.